In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in Zoho Books. Deleting an invoice is something you want to do carefully, whether you're fixing a mistake or cleaning up test data. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you know exactly where to go and what to look out for. First, open your browser and go to your Zoho Books account. Log in with your usual credentials, and once you're in, you'll land on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your main homepage where you can see an overview of your business finances. But for now, we're going to focus on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the option labeled Sales in that left navigation panel. Go ahead and click on Sales. This section contains everything related to the revenue side of your business, such as estimates, retainers, and of course, invoices. When the Sales section expands, you'll see a list of related modules. From this expanded list, click on Invoices. This will open the invoice list page where all your invoices are displayed. Here you can usually see columns like invoice number, customer name, date, status, and amount. You can also use filters at the top of the page if you need to narrow down the list by status or date. But for deleting, you mainly need to locate the specific invoice or invoices you want to remove. On the left side of each invoice row, you'll see a small checkbox. To select an invoice for deletion, click on the checkbox next to that invoice. If you want to delete more than one invoice at once, you can click multiple checkboxes and select as many as you need. Just take a moment here to double check that you've selected the correct records, because once you delete them, you may not be able to recover them easily, depending on your account settings and policies. After you've selected the invoice or invoices, look toward the top of the invoice list for a delete option. This is usually shown as a delete button in the upper area of the page. Click on this delete button. Zoho Books will typically ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the selected invoices. Read the confirmation message carefully, and if you're sure, confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the invoices you selected will be removed from the list. That's all there is to it.